Bitcoin resistance to be broken. Bitcoin is currently at 28k, and if this weekly level is broken, we would like to see 34 till 38k. But if it doesn't succeed, then it will go back to 22k. Let's find it out in today's analyze. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader, and today I will analyze Bitcoin, USDT, American Airlines, RADIX, so XRD USDT, Trust Wallet Token or TWT USDT, McDonald's Corporation, and Ethereum USDT. And for now, I will start with the weekly performance of the crypto market. As you can see, overall the week was red. So most of the coins went down, except a few like Trust Wallet Token, Render, RLB, Bitcoin Silver, Solana, Matic, XMR, so Monero, and the rest went all down. So let's go to the daily performance. Also, most of the coins are currently red, except a few green ones. Trust Wallet Token, Filecoin, VeChain, EVEX is red. Okay, and from here we will go to the coin market cap. Currently the fear and greed index is neutral at 46. The market cap of 1.9 trillion, 24-hour volume of 16.2 billion. Top 10 tokens: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Doge, and Tron. And from here we will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall it was a mixed week, some greens, some red ones. Apple in green, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Google, Meta, Tesla. So the big ones are in green. McDonald's red, Coca-Cola red, Pepsi. So kind of a mixed week. And from here we will go to Bitcoin USDT, starting at the weekly chart. Currently about 15 hours to close this week's candle. Red, kind of undecisive where to go. And from the weekly I will change to the daily. The pressure is upwards, so it needs to break the resistance to go up. And if it doesn't, then we will go and test lower. And I will make last week's plan visible. As you can see, plan C, I prefer to see a higher test, so immediate test of 29-30k and then a pullback at 27k. As you can see, already a few times it tried to function as support over here at the 27.2k. So that would have been a position and a possible profit of more than 3%. But as I said, I prefer to see the higher test and show more strength to enter here at the pullback. So what can we expect for now? Let me remove this one. Okay, what can we expect? Let me see. We can expect a test lower around 25.9K. And if it breaks, then we will see a test of around 22.5K. And this one is still in play. So test of 29, 30K, pullback, and then aiming for higher levels. And the levels will be around 34, 36K. So yeah, these are the plans for Bitcoin USDT the coming days. And from Bitcoin, I will go to American Airlines Incorporated. I've posted this one earlier this year in January 22. I will post a link in the description so you can check it out, and also in the top of the screen so you can go to the full analyze. So if you have entered this position, that was one of the scenarios, you could have had more than 45%. So congratulations for the ones who did. That's what we do, Team Naked Trader. We draw scenarios and you can play them, and then you can make some awesome profits. Okay, and for now I will make a new analyze. So let me remove these plans. Starting at the weekly. So nice weekly gain of this lower range. And now we are testing the weekly low over here. So important to hold this low. And else the upwards construction is broken. You can consider also this one as a low here, because this caused the impulse over here, and that is the around $16. But this is the last low that we want to defend. So what can we expect? Let's go to the daily. At the daily level, at the daily chart, it's not looking nice because of this. Here we had a low and high, higher low, etc. And now it's changing into a downwards construction. Okay, let me remove the brushes. Also daily loss of the low that we want to defend. So that's not looking good. Okay. I'll change to the monthly. I want to start with a new chart. Okay. Okay, let me go back in the past. Okay, I will add some scenarios. So either we will go up from here, a test between $15.27 and $16.38. It will go up and print another higher high at the weekly, pull back around 15.27 and go up. That's one scenario. If it loses the current low of $12.73, then the next test will be around 10.15. And if it loses the $10.15, then the next test is around $8. So these are the scenarios for American Airlines, and from American Airlines I will go to XRD, also known as RADIX, starting at the weekly chart. After this huge impulse of 269%, it went down from the top to where we are, almost 70%. Okay, I'll add some levels. From the weekly I will change to the daily. Okay, the 5.1 cent is already tested over here. See, it went down, went up, tested. So what can we expect? So either a test around 4 cents, between 4 and 4.3 cents, and then trying to go back up, or a test around 3.6 cents and trying to go up from there, or test of, let me say, around 6.2 cents, pull back to 5.1 cent, and if it managed to hold, then it will try to break the downtrend into an uptrend with a potential profit of 20% and even higher, 48% next target. So yeah, these are the plans for RADIX USDT, and from RADIX I will go to Trust Wallet token, starting at the weekly chart. Okay, let me add some levels. This is a nice weekly level, the 73 cents. It held support, consolidated, and went up. Now testing the resistance over here. Actually, I want to see a test of the $1.16. $1.16 is important point. That was this point where it caused this huge impulse to the upside. It was the point where we lost support and tested lower. It was resistance over here. It was resistance over here. Okay. So let me change to the daily. Okay. The 89 cent is already tested. And now it's rejecting this drop off. So this point is a rejection over here so far. Okay, I want to change to the 4-hour. Okay, I will make plans for the coming days. As the 89 cent is already tested on the daily but still open on the 4-hour, the second entry is still possible. So either a retest of 89 cents and break the $1.06, aiming to break the $1.06. Where it will go back to the start of the impulse at 81 cents and trying to break the 96 cents or even higher. And if it somehow manage to go up straight away, test, let's say, around $1.36, then pull back with the entry around $1.06, aiming for higher levels. So this, the aggressive play, and I think the most risky one, has a potential profit of 20% almost. The more defensive play has a potential profit also 18 and higher. Next target 30%. And the play after the gain has a potential profit of 28%. So okay, these are the plan for Trust Wallet token USDT, and now I will go to McDonald's Corporation. Starting at the monthly chart, I will zoom in a bit. And then I will add some levels. Okay, on the monthly chart, this was the last impulse which caused the all-time high over here, and now we are losing it here on the current monthly candle, and we do want to defend the $231 here, as you can also consider this as a low and high, and this can still be a higher low on the monthly chart. But the fact that we lost the 263, it's not looking nice. Okay, I will change to the weekly. In the weekly you can see it also clear. So we had a low and high, higher low, higher high, and now we are printing a lower low. Yeah. So coming weeks will be important. What will happen? Will we regain the 263? Yes or no? Or will we test lower? I'll go to the daily. Okay, the current level of 247, also important. It's being brought up over here, and here it was the point where we went to this high over here. So okay, I will make a plan for the coming days. So either it will go up, rejection of the 263, and then a test lower, let's say around 231. If it loses support of 231, then the next test will be at 207, or it will go up a retest of 298, pullback at 263, and then aiming for a new all-time high. So these are the scenarios for McDonald's Corporation, and from McDonald's I will go to Ethereum, starting at the weekly chart. Currently a red week. It's looking weaker than Bitcoin if we compare these two assets on the weekly chart. Okay, let's show some weekly levels. Hello, sorry again, I had some trouble with my recording audio, so currently at the weekly still defending the 1590, and from the weekly I will change to the daily. So let me show the daily levels and the scenarios that I've already drawn, because my last recording went wrong due to the audio. So what can we expect for Ethereum the coming days? Either a retest of 1590 and trying to go up, the gain test of 1400, the gain of 1720 with a test around 1845, pullback at 1668 and trying to go up and test 1890. If it doesn't succeed to hold support at 1590, then the next support level is around 1488. And if 1488 doesn't succeed to hold support, then the next support level is at 1279. I'm trying to go up from there. So thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy your Sunday. Don't forget, subscribe, join Team NakedTrader, smash the like button, and see you guys Wednesday. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye.